when community starts celebrating festival and stuff. There's going to be conventions, there's going to be Christmas party and stuff. So at the end of the day, it's a place where people are going to gather. So this is a business opportunity. What can you sell during this festive season? One, you can sell water, you can sell drinks, you can sell Christmas souvenirs, you can sell anything sellable. Hello, our amazing viewers. The festive season is here again. And you know, this channel is about business. Now, there's going to be a lot of business opportunity. Why? Because there's going to be a lot of gathering. There's going to be a lot of gathering. And the Bible says where people gather is a market. So meaning that there's going to be a lot of festive activities. There's going to be a lot of gathering, eating, drinking, having fun. Especially, normally this gathering starts from August, when community starts celebrating festival and stuff. There's going to be conventions, there's going to be Christmas party and stuff. So at the end of the day, it's a place where people are going to gather. So this is a business opportunity. What can you sell during this festive season? One, you can sell water, you can sell drinks, you can sell Christmas souvenirs, you can sell anything sellable. So just think about it. Look at your environment. What activities will be embarking on? December is already here, or if it is not December, any festive season. But December is Christmas and it's a major festive season. In Ghana, there is Dirty December. There's going to be a lot of activities. So this December, look for something. If you have capital and you don't know where to put it into drinks, put it into water, put it into food, put it into kebab, well-grilled chicken. So if those of you who knows how to cook, this is the time that we can test your recipes, your grilled chicken, your grilled steak or whatever. This is the time. Your drinks, the sobolo, my wife used to prepare sobolo, millet drink and all these things. This is the time to make money. Forget that you are a graduate. Just do research about how these things can be done and sell it. Sell anything. Now, Takrady, for example, this ankos program is going to start somewhere 20th to next year, January, or first week in January. This is the time there's going to be a lot of water demand. There's going to be a lot of drink demand. So this is an opportunity to make some money during this festive season. Now, I'm not doing this content just because it is only Christmas. Any festival, any convention, any gathering where there is going to be more than 20 to 50 people is a marketplace. So this festive season is a huge marketplace. Wherever you find yourself, it could be in any part of Africa where Christmas is being celebrated. This is an opportunity for you. So the money you have saved from January to date, you can go into water selling, you can sell food, you can sell Christmas souvenirs. You know, ankos, they'll be printing t-shirts, they'll be printing convention lacosses and stuff. So all the graphic designers, this is an opportunity for you. Photographers and content creation, this is an opportunity for you to make money. This festive season is a huge marketplace. So don't say that you don't know what to do this December. If you have 1,000 Ghana cedis or $100 or 2,000, 5,000, look at things that you can sell. This one is about selling. If you have chairs you want to rent, canopies you want to rent, this is the time to make money. Position yourself. Start telling people you have this product or you can provide this service and provide them and make money. This channel is about how to make money and live a good life and live a comfortable life. This is a huge opportunity. Like I said, this channel is about teaching you people how to make money. So now the opportunity has come. You are looking for opportunity to do something, you don't know what to do. I am telling you, salt water. You don't need degree to do this. If you can cook something. If you can bake something. Because people, especially the ankos program, using Takrady as an example, people are going to go hungry, drumming and dancing, singing, marching. They will definitely need water. So sell water. The basic thing to sell is water. Now, event planners like travel and tour, you can organize excursion this December. Look for a caterer to cook for the people. Look for the TNT, organize a car, get the people who are bored of their houses, their churches, some vacation places. This is an opportunity to take people to places and make money on it. You can make some small money on the transportation, make money on their food, make money even on the gate fee to the where you are sending them. So this is an opportunity for us in December. This December, His Majesty place is open for visitors. From now till next year, the place is open 24/7. You can come at any time. So we are organizing excursion, a bus. Anybody who wants to come this December, just call my number 0244 202071. We will organize a bus from Takrady all the way to His Majesty place. So if you're out there, it's not only in Takrady, Accra, Ho, Kumasi, Tamale. Look for a tourist site. Organize people, drive them there, let them go and have fun. Then you make money out of it. People just create content with your phone and your mic. You can start creating content, showing people interesting places to go, and they have to contact you for you to organize and send them there. That is where to make money. So this December, it is money making. It is market season, or it is money season. Don't cheap yourself. Don't give any small money chance. Even if you're able to sell 100 bags of water, that is good money. So just look for sports places, whether you are in Accra or wherever, and you could even come to Takrady this season, or you could organize food or drink or wherever in Accra for the 30th December, because they'll be drinking, they'll be dancing, they'll be moving from event center to centers. Position yourself and provide services that people will need in this season, in this festive season. Don't just sit there and say, I don't know what to do, I'm feeling shy. Look, money is everywhere. It's about how you position yourself and grab the money. So I will not waste my time. If you think you have an idea and a concept and you want me to reason with you, or we dive into it, brainstorm about it, let me know. I'll leave my number. This is my number, 0244 202071. You can call me. We can share ideas, whether it is brilliant. So now, another good point before I forget. The fish farmers, the catfish farmers, and the tilapia fish farmers, this is a good season to market whatever you have. Those of you that have been rearing your tilapia, your catfish for the past 6 months, this is the market base. So if you are not getting market for the past 1 month now, this is the time to position yourself, whether smoke, grill. I have a friend who said that farm sweet potato, and after farming, he will put it, give it to the sister, as selling it to the sister will fry it. That means that he has created a job by farming for himself, and he will give the sweet potato to the sister, and the sister will also get a job by frying it and selling it and make money. So it is two money that is coming. Money from selling the sweet potato and frying the sweet potato and make money from it. Use that strategy. You can go and buy water and sell water and make money. You can be a water supplier. Talk to a water supplier, they supply you at wholesale price, and go and retail and make money. These are things that you can do. This one, there's no age group in it. Whether you're age 10 to 20 to 35 to 50, it's all about money making. Festive season is here. Take advantage and make some money. and leave it in the comment section your experience last year, how much you have made from this festive season. See you in our next episode. Bye bye.